If you want to save photos that are present in your Android device to Google Photos, then open this Google folder, open Photos. So you will be automatically logged into Google Photos with your Gmail account. If not, you have to manually log in. After that, tap on this profile icon here. Go to this option Photo Settings and go to this option Backup and Sync, and make sure that this option Backup and Sync is enabled. So you will get 15 GB of space to back up your photos, and if you need more, you can tap on this option Get More Storage and Purchase. Now there are other few settings that you can use. Under the settings, you have this option Upload Size. So there are two options here. One is Original Quality. So when you select this option, you can upload the photos in its original quality, but if the resolution of the photo is high, then it will take more space. In Google Photos. Now the next one is a storage saver. So what does this do is, this will compress the photos or videos. The quality will be a little bit less, but it will take less space also. So select according to your priority. Now let's go back. Then you have the other option here, mobile data usage. So if you want to upload the photos in Google Photos by using your mobile data while you are roaming, then you have the option here. You can enable this option, backup while roaming, and you can also select the data limit 5, 10 or 30, so that once you have reached that data limit, then uploading of photos will be stopped. Or else you can select unlimited, so that you can upload any amount of photos by using mobile data. Again, let's go back, and there is another option here, backup device folders. So if you want, then you can save photos present in other folders also, like suppose WhatsApp video, Messenger, Skype, etc. Or else by default only the photos that are present in the gallery will be uploaded. So if you want, you can upload videos from other applications also. It's up to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.